Hello again and welcome to Module 6, How Can RFID Be Used to Help Make a Supply Chain More Effective? By Tonya Nicole Williams for CS 540 at the University of West Alabama. What is RFID? Radio Frequency Identification, or RFID, refers to technologies that use wireless communication between an object or tag and interrogating devices or readers to automatically track and identify such objects. The tag transmission range is limited to several meters from the reader. A clear line of sight between the reader and tag is not necessarily required. Most tags contain at least one integrated circuit and an antenna. The microchip stores information and is responsible for managing the radio frequency communications with the reader. Passive tags do not have an independent energy source and depend on an external electromagnetic signal provided by the reader to power the operations. Active tags contain an independent energy source, such as a battery. Thus, they may have increased processing, transmission capabilities, and range. First, we will look at some ways RFID is used. RFID chips are injected under the skin of animals using a syringe and can help ranchers meet regulations, track wild animals for ecological studies, and return lost pets to their owners. Retail stores use RFID to track and monitor inventory. Hospitals and pharmaceutical companies meet government regulations and standards with RFID. Even local libraries are using RFID to control theft and speed up the checkout process. Hospitals track patients, doctors, and nurses' locations to facilitate emergency situations and ensure safety. RFID also tracks equipment location to ensure quick response times during an emergency. Car manufacturers install RFID anti-theft systems, and toll roads use RFID to collect payments from passing cars. American Express and MasterCard use RFID for automatic payments. And large companies like Walmart use RFID to maintain inventory, stop shoplifting, and speed customer checkout processes. This is a graphic that shows more RFID applications. Some of these applications were discussed on the previous slide, but because they were included, we'll go over them again. Starting on the right top are solar panels, then we'll go down museum and art galleries, jewelry tracking, vehicle tracking, schools and colleges, hospitals, IT asset tracking, library systems, and retail and apparel tracking. 4 ways RFID can be used to help make a supply chain more effective. First is real-time actionable data. In order to service customers, businesses need real-time inventory data at their fingertips that is accurate and actionable, no matter where the part is located worldwide. RFID chips, barcodes, and scanners are vital pieces of equipment that can provide innumerable benefits to businesses. For example, RFID chips or barcodes can be placed on every product, which gives companies a way to easily track inventory. With computerized product management, RFID chips and a barcode system provide increased visibility that can substantially improve the supply chain efficiency by detecting any order anomalies as they occur, enabling employees to immediately correct mistakes and reduce errors. Such technology also allows for easier, more consistent tracking throughout the supply chain, giving businesses maximum control and visibility over parts, whether those are motherboards or processors. Knowing what you have and where it's located leads to supply chain efficiencies and lowering operating costs. Next is visibility across the supply chain. Paired with RFID technology, cloud-based computerized shipping and tracking further simplifies the supply process and can dramatically reduce shipping errors. Software like FlashTrack and its mobile version, FlashLite, enable savvy business owners to consolidate all aspects of their supply chain in one place. The apps enable companies to digitally organize inventory data, monitor and manage shipping and tracking information, as well as create electronic invoices with ease. Such supply chain management technologies make it easy to greatly reduce the time spent shipping, receiving, tracking, and compiling order data. This can save companies both time and money. Last but not least, enhanced data availability makes it easier to produce customized reports and auto-generated reports that help customers and businesses better understand where opportunities for improvement lie. Next is simplifying the supply chain. It's common sense that the more links there are in your supply chain, the more convoluted and complex that chain becomes and the more prone to errors and delays. Investing in supply chain technology helps companies simplify its supply chain, eliminate unnecessary links, improve efficiency, and reduce expenditures. Optimizing the number of links in a supply chain will also enable businesses to lower the risk associated with shipping and receiving. For instance, you may find you can decrease the number of vendors for a particular part to 2 or 3 companies rather than 5 or 6, and still meet your company's service obligations and mitigate the risk around unpredictable events such as natural disasters or a potential trade war. Companies turn away from businesses that routinely have shipping delays, shipping errors, and products that are out of stock. Enhancing supply chain technology can minimize risk and improve a company's reputation within the industry. Finally is enhancing customer communication. Creating predictability, consistency, and visibility with the service supply chain enables businesses to communicate faster and more efficiently with customers. Ideally, supply chain technology will give immediate access to all the real-time, actionable information needed, such as parts order tracking, FSL location map, location of specific parts availability globally, location of parts nearest the customer, and tracking field tech support personnel. An example of how this might work is, let's say your server is down and a customer needs a processing chip to fix it. A business can enter in the part number, the location where the part is needed, and the system will tell the company where to ship it from. To stay ahead of competition, it's essential businesses continually adapt to emerging tools. Supply chain technology can greatly enhance productivity as a company by helping them cut costs and improve customer satisfaction. And these are the references that were used in the creation of this video PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you soon.